All right, I'm gonna try something. If it works, awesome. If it doesn't, then I will never post this video. I have this bird bath from my grandma's house. It would, bar none, be less expensive for me just to buy a replacement one of these, but this is pretty sentimental to me. She had a tree taken down maybe a year ago or 6 months ago, and they took the tree down, the bird bath fell and broke. What I have done so far is connected these pieces back on, and then this piece right here, it's just not working. It's not fitting. There is no world in which it's gonna work because it's just, nothing's fitting. It should, but it's not. So with that being said, I have some supplies that I am going to show you here in a second, and I'm going to try and reconstruct this. It's not going to look pretty, but all I need is it to be level this way, and then under here, obviously, to keep water from coming out. So let me get this stuff out. I'll show you what I have, and hopefully this works. All right, let me show you what I have, and then I'll show you my plan. That is for something else. Flex seal, duct tape, and that's it. I also have Goo Gone for something else as well. So here's my plan. My plan is to take some parchment paper, which ideally stuff won't stick to. My plan is to take duct tape and parchment paper and create a floor as well as a wall, and then a wall right here. I haven't decided exactly how I'm going to do that yet, but by doing that, I'm going to end up getting some of my cement that I have left over from a fence post and kind of just making my own cement piece. After I tape it up, I'll put it on the ground. That way this is sitting against the ground and I will pour my cement in. So let me go get some parchment paper real quick and I'll show you more of what I mean. All right, this is either gonna work or it's not gonna work. I ended up taping the area out and then putting the parchment paper on the inside of this. I don't think it's gonna matter, so I'm not gonna do this side over here, but really what we want is to create a wall of some sort right here, which I'm gonna do by not making the cement super watery. It's going to be more of like a clay consistency and then putting it in. And then I will worry about this piece right here after the fact. Or I can even just put it, no, actually I'll probably do this all in one go. So this is how I have the frame done. I'll probably put some tape over here just to make sure this doesn't come off. It should not leak out the bottom. I have duct tape all the way underneath. And yeah, I'm gonna set this on the ground now so it'll have that much more rigidity on the bottom, and then I'm gonna mix up some cement. I'll show you what it looks like after I put the cement in there. All right, so I have it in there. It worked pretty well. The only spot I'm kind of worried about is right here, because when I lift this duct tape, I think it's gonna take a little bit up, but if it does, that's fine. That's what I have the Flex Seal for. And yeah, this is quick setting, quick crete. So I'll give it, I have a meeting here in a minute. I'll give it, an hour, 2 hours, something like that to let it set. And then I will probably clean the inside and Flex Seal the whole inside. Took, maybe 3 coffee mug scoops of concrete to do all of that. So let's let it set up and then we will check back later. All right, pretty cool, it worked. It's still completely drying, but it is the, like I said, the quick set, quick crete. So it is pretty stable. I left the duct tape on underneath just to make sure I don't mess anything up with lifting it. But now I'm gonna get all this crap out in the inside, and I don't even think I need to clean it up really. I'm gonna put the Flex Seal all around here and then it should be good. I may mix up a little concrete and put it in the cracks over here just to make sure those cracks are as rigid as possible and nothing breaks. But I'm super happy with how this turned out. Usually if I look at something long enough, I can come up with an idea how to fix it, and that's kind of what happened here on how to mold this. Obviously it's straight across, it's not curved like the rest, but I really wasn't looking for it to be like a showpiece or anything like that. This side will just be to the back of wherever I put it. Appreciate you guys watching, and if anybody else has a bird bath where they have an instance like this where some of it's missing, this was a really good way to fix it. Thanks for watching. Bye.